Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the deploying a Python application on Kubernetes using Docker. Let's get started. You can see on this board I have drawn for you. If you want to know how to deploy a Python application on Kubernetes using Docker. This point you have Kubernetes and Docker. The function of the Kubernetes for manage service and the function of this Docker to create image container. Image and for this Kubernetes the function for manage all services, and we use Python for application. If you create application and you use language by Python, this is application based on Python language programming. I will explain you this picture through analogy, and I hope you can understand it easily. We start from app.py. This is application. If you imagine before I explain each of this image, I will give you all thing for generally. You can imagine if you have restaurant and you want this restaurant can be accessed from anywhere, from any town, and the recipe for this food is same for anywhere. Okay, I will repeat again. For this imagination, you have restaurant and you want to make sure the taste of food in your restaurant is same for any place, for this town 1, town 2, town 3, same taste. So you have to make it easy. You have to make a packet and your worker in the restaurant just easy to cook, and then the last to provide to your customers and make your customer happy with your food. This is the general imagination, and let's go to explain one by one of this image: Python, Docker, and Kubernetes. Start from app.py. You can imagine this is like food recipe. In every restaurant has a food recipe, and this is privacy of this restaurant, and don't share your food recipe to your competitor. in here app.py, this is the food recipe, and this is the key point of your foods. Next, requirement.txt. This is like a list or in the ingredients of your foods. If you want to make something, maybe you need a noodle, egg, or the other ingredients. This is ingredient of your food. And Dockerfile, you can imagine this is like portable kitchen. You can open your restaurant in everywhere, in many town, with the same of this. If you want to eat this food in town 1, the taste food is delicious. If you want to eat this food in other town, the same is same. The taste is same. And Docker, you can imagine this is like a truck for delivering your food. This is like truck. And Kubernetes cluster, you can see in here, cluster, this is the region of food court. Okay, food court in the place has many booth stand. Okay, stand number 1, 2, 3, or you can say with booth. And the inside of this cluster or in this food court, you have many nodes. In this case, you have 2 nodes. Node 1 and this is node 2. And pod, you can imagine inside of this pod, this is like a truck of kitchen. You have 2 truck for cooking, pot 1, pot 2, and then you have 2 truck and all ready to cook your foods. And this is by minus KHS or Kubernetes. This is like a table services. And your guest, your user can visit to this table by minus KHS 5000. If you have user, if you have customer, your customer can visit this table and then they can eat food from your restaurant. I think easy for you to understand the concept of how Kubernetes works, how Docker works. It is very simple. for you to understand it. If you have any question about this picture, you can comment on below this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. Thank you so much and see you next time.